Welcome to Autocar, your trusted source for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're delving into the 2025 Toyota Quick Delivery, a vehicle that seamlessly blends functionality with modern design. Let's explore its exterior and interior features, design evolution, performance capabilities, historical context, pricing, and standout attributes. The 2025 Toyota Quick Delivery boasts a contemporary exterior tailored for urban logistics. Its semi-bonnet structure not only enhances safety but also provides a modern aesthetic. The vehicle's dimensions: 5,265 mm in length, 1950 mm in width, and 1990 mm in height, strike a balance between spaciousness and maneuverability. The flat floor and perpendicular side walls have been carefully designed to provide even more useful cargo space. Inside, the Quick Delivery is designed with user convenience in mind. The walk-through cab cargo compartment allows the driver to move from the front seat into the cargo area while standing, eliminating the need to exit the vehicle during deliveries. A spacious cargo area measuring 2,290 mm in length, 1,510 mm in width, and 1,735 mm in height accommodates various goods efficiently. Originally introduced in 1982, the Hiace Quick Delivery was engineered for small lot collections and deliveries. Over the years, it has evolved to meet modern demands, incorporating advanced features and design enhancements while maintaining its core purpose of efficient urban transportation. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace offers a choice between a 3.5 L V6 petrol engine producing 277 horsepower and a 2.8 L four-cylinder turbo diesel engine delivering 174 horsepower. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, ensuring a balance between power and fuel efficiency. Since its debut in 1967, the Toyota Hiace has been a staple in the commercial vehicle sector. The Quick Delivery variant, introduced in 1982, specifically addressed the growing need for efficient urban delivery solutions. Its design has continually adapted to changing market requirements, solidifying its reputation as a reliable workhorse. In Pakistan, the 2025 Toyota Hiace is available in multiple variants, with prices ranging from 13,069,000 Pakistani rupees to 21,029,000 Pakistani rupees. This range allows businesses to select a model that best fits their operational needs and budget. The Hiace Quick Delivery's standout features include its spacious cargo area, walk-through cab design, and versatile engine options. These elements combine to offer a vehicle that is both practical and adaptable to various commercial applications. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Hiace Quick Delivery continues to uphold its legacy of reliability and efficiency, making it a top choice for businesses seeking a dependable urban delivery vehicle. Its thoughtful design and robust performance ensure it remains a leader in its class. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more automotive insights.